baseline, gentle offbeat. In the land of Sheba's gold, where the mountains touch the sky, a king arose with wisdom, fire burning in his eyes. Rastafari crowned in splendor, Ethiopia's pride. He walked with staff and scepter, justice as his guide. Oh, H.I.M. Hayile Selase, Lion of Judah, your spirit never dies. From Addis Ababa to the islands in the sea, you reign in hearts of the faithful, Jah's own prophecy. Rhythm tied tunes, urgency and tone. When the wolves of Rome came howling, seeking blood and throne, you stood firm at Geneva, never shall we bow. A voice for the forgotten, a shield against Babylon. You lit the torch of freedom, and the people marched on. Oh, H.I.M. Hayile Selase, Lion of Judah, your spirit never dies. From Addis Ababa to the islands in the sea, you reign in hearts of the faithful, Jah's own prophecy. They tried to chain the river, but the river still runs free. They tried to dim your glory, but the truth is what we see. In every cry for justice, in every rebel song, your name is liberation. The weak must become strong. Now the children sing your story round the fires in the night, of a king who wore no jewels, but the stars' eternal light. Through the valleys of oppression, to the peaks where eagles soar,